Excellent. Welcome to HV Discover. My name is Michael Hay, part of the HV storage team, where I manage our VMware relationship, our strategic alliances. So we're showing off a few of our latest integrations with VMware vSphere and 3PAR. And the newest thing that we released just came out 2 days ago here at the show was our 3PAR integration with vCenter Operations Manager, or vCOPS. So shooting through, with that integration, we're pulling in a lot of different metrics from the 3PAR system to allow you to do those quick analytics, health monitoring, troubleshooting. It comes with 3 dashboards that we provide for you with the vCOPS software. So taking a quick look at it, up on the screen here, our first tab shows the basic HV storage and monitoring. So you can see the 3PAR system. We break out kind of all the components, do a quick green, yellow, red status of each one. Clicking on those, you can kind of walk through and get information. On the right side of the monitoring screen, showing you can kind of choose from a number of different configuration options you want to look at. So if you want to look at the CPG or 3PAR's common provisioning groups, volume supports, you can get a quick glance at kind of the utilization of those for monitoring. And then based on kind of some key metrics that are of interest on those resources that you've selected, you come down here and view IOPS, QDEPs, and then other information relevant to what you picked. So quick snapshot. Top left, again, kind of the high-level health. You can kind of tell where you're at. Demo equipment, everything's running pretty well, so looking good. The second tab we can look at is the HV storage performance. So we're pulling a lot of metrics from the 3PAR system. It includes physical disks, ports, QDEP, a number of key values. On the dashboard, we're highlighting the top 5 values for each one of those, so you get a quick look to see kind of where the highest utilization is, kind of which ones are using the most capacity, kind of what's at the top of those lists, and again to see if anything's kind of above those lines that you would expect from the system. And then we stop over to kind of last dashboard that's included is the HV storage troubleshooting. And this one's great, again, if you want to do a quick snapshot from virtual machine on down through disk drives and the entire infrastructure end to end. Again, quick glance of red, yellow, green, everything is red today, but if something was flagged, you would come in here and say, okay, this array controller was causing an issue. You can click on that to get more information. On the left side, you can also see it's highlighted everything that's connected to that component. So you can see quickly which other components will be affected if that keeps going down. Is it an isolated where it's just attached to one VM, or in this case, all but one of my VMs rely on this, so you know, hey, if that becomes yellow, you probably want to fix it because it could start to have some major issues.
So Michael, going back at stage, if you go back, if you don't mind, to the original screen, absolutely, and there was an orange component there somewhere, can you take us through the orange component on the heat map and then follow it through? Sure,
so let's do a quick thing. I think we were looking at this earlier where quick ports here where you take a look here, orange showing a little bit more usage here for our resource, kind of the 1.1.1 port here.
Yep.
When we snap over to the storage troubleshooting, you can nail down, kind of narrow down that specific component if you wanted to see where that was attached to. So on the left side here, we navigate down to our FC ports and jump over to that item that we saw. And you click on that, and again, 1.1.2, let's go with the one we saw being orange. And here you can see this FC port was showing a little bit higher usage than the others, and you can kind of follow that always back to the CPG, the volume, and then just a single VM. And again, most likely this is the one VM that we have running here on the demo, and you can kind of jump in directly to that VM, get information.
And that's what I love. It's that relationship of going, do you know what, I've got a problem basically at port level, maps through to my disk, my cage, my controller basically, to the individual VM. As an operator, that's pretty amazing stuff. That's power at your fingertips. It really is. Very impressive. So talk to me about the licensing. How does this work?
Sure, so the license is available today on our website. It's a free 60-day trial, so you can go download it, give it a spin, system full functionality. After 60 days, some of that functionality does expire. Okay. The monitoring screen that we saw first is available for free every long. Yep. And then the other licensing is licensed on a per array basis, so we can buy a pack of 10 arrays for the list price for the software.
And do you mind saying how much it is at the moment?
Don't quote me on it, I'm not a sales expert. I think that the price is $10,000 today. Okay. List price for 10 arrays. So yeah.
Great, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
No problem, Craig. Thank you.
Thank you.